This new feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to edit the Gantt chart in FlyThrough. You can adjust the Gantt chart to any size and position or zoom in and out of the Gantt chart on the video. This is useful to fulfill different clients' requests on the styles of the 4D videos they want. So the objective of this tutorial video is to add a small Gantt chart at the side of the 4D simulation video. So first step is to go More Options and search for FlyThrough. Now that we're in FlyThrough, go to Construction. So before, you can only see the Gantt chart when you enable Show Task here at the side. Now you can enable Show Gantt Chart to only show the Gantt chart. Then press and hold the left mouse click and move your mouse to position and resize the Gantt chart. So I only want to show 1 year from March 2020 to March 2021. Now here is the result. Thank you for watching the video.